Good day, my name is Amos of GBPUSD, and today is 31st of the 1st, 2024. Just a quick video on a trade I took today and to show you, demonstrate to you the behavior of market and what you need to look for. For example, if there's a important news coming, and then you need to know whether you're a news trader, you know how to trade it or not. I don't know how to trade news, so I don't trade during the news. And to show you how market behave in the normal times. For example, I said in one of my video that market spend most of its time, if it's not 80% of its time, in ranging. Anyway, let's dive into it. Let me share my screen so that we dive into it. Okay, this is my screen here, and this is pound dollar. Pound dollar, as you can see at the top. So it's pound dollar. I use 4 hours, as we know. I use 4 hours to analyze and use 15 minutes to execute my trade. And okay, so what am I looking at here? I said to you, market spend most of its time, if it's not 80% of the time, in ranging. Look at this one. This is 4 hours time frame, actually, as I said earlier at the top left corner. This is 4 hours time frame. Look at how many weeks: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over 7 weeks, because between here is more than a week. Look at that. It spent more than 7 weeks in this range. 7 weeks. And it's been moving here. Once it break out, whether down or up, it's going to move the way you see it here. And it may stall again. Can you see it here? Range here. Move, range, move, range. Spend most of its time. Now look at how long it's been in the range. Yeah, that's not what I want to show you today. It's just a quick one on the trade that I took anyway, and why I came out. And if you remember in one of my videos again, I said it's left for you to know what you want to take in the market. Some people want 200 pips, some people want 1,000 pips, some people want 5 pips, some people want 10 pips. Mine is based on market behavior. I may put my trade 1-to-1 ratio, 1-to-1.5 ratio, 1-to-2 ratio. It does not mean that I'm going to wait for that 1-to-1 ratio to finish. I will study the market and see the market behavior, and I will take whatever it gives to me, and I'll be happy with it. I'm gone, because I know how much I'm using per pips, and it's okay for me. Compounding is important. So what am I looking at in this trade? This market has been in this range for very, very long time on 4 hours time frame. It's been in this range very, very long time. And is doing what we want, because what I want in the market is for market to move up, stall, refuse to break up, then start to try to move down. Then I will start to look for a short trade when I start to see double, triple top, whatever, on my 15 minute, right? Vice versa. So I want to be seeing it where I'm seeing double bottom on 15 minutes. That's all I want. Then I'll be taking my trade. So it's happening right here. See, you can't tell me you're going to wait for 8 weeks, 10 weeks without trading. You're still having it in this range. You can still trade in this range. So that's what I did today. I've been monitoring it. I put my lines, as you can see. But I spot this. I will make it bigger a little bit, because you can see it. It looks funny. It doesn't look clean. It doesn't look good. But if you know what you're looking for. So I've been monitoring this, and I spot this, right? I spot this level. I spot this level. Market is bouncing off here, bouncing off here, bouncing off here, right? Bouncing off here in this big range, in this massive range, right? So here now I saw this guy again, because remember my video is wherever I see market stall and I see market is coming back to respect. As long as you're respecting the line, I'll be looking for trade on 15 minutes. So once I saw this pin bar here. I saw this long wick here, as you can see, big wick. You see the wicks here. So once I saw the wick right here, this pin bar, so the long wick, right? So there I went on my 15 minutes. So I will change this to 15 minutes so that I can see what I'm talking about. So there I went on my 15 minutes and I look for what I want. Look for my usual setup, right? So on 15 minutes, I'm now on 15 minutes, as you can see at the top. So I look for what I want. Look at that, because that's the line from 4 hours, right? So the market starts to move up. I'm looking for double bottom. So market is moving up. You can see all here has been happening. So right here, you see, I missed that. But right here, you can see. What did you see here? The same pattern, what we saw on 4 hours. Let's clean it up. Let's clean it up. Exactly ranging we saw on 4 hours, right? So it started bouncing off, bouncing off. So there I took my trade, as you can see the arrow. That's my projection, right? That was my projection. But because I know there's the news, there's a federal US federal fund rate coming and FMOC statement from US is coming. It's a very huge news. And that's why you see this news. When it very released the news, you see it went up. Then another news, it drove down. So that's what I came out. My projection, as you can see, that was my projection. Well, I came out here with 14.9 pips, as you can see at the bottom left. That's where I came out. That was my projection, and it came there. But because there's a news, I decided to come out hours before the news. I don't want to trade the news. Even though we see that it came there, still I didn't wait for it. I just came out. Now you see that it got there, it got to my point then. And then some people will say, oh, I will have stayed to do, no, I don't do mine like that. I know what I'm looking for. I mean, I'm okay with these pips that I got here. I'm okay. So just say, let me share with you. You see, when the news, big news come, because it's the US news, you see massive drop down, though the market move as I projected. That's why you see this here, because I closed it. That was my entry. I came out here, even though I project here, and my stop loss is somewhere down here. So I just say, let me share with you that if you keep looking for that pattern, as we said in my previous videos, you will get a good return on your trade, and it will help improve your trade. This is education. We're teaching each other how to do it, to trade, to improve our trading. This is 4 hours again. If I go to 4 hours again, right? 4 hours again. This video is extending too much now, but we're just looking for an area where market is respectable. There, again and again and again. Then we were able to trade. Even though I projected the market to come there, the market came, but I came out earlier here because I know there's a news coming in a couple of hours. I don't want to remain inside. And the market went to first news, and now the FMC statement from US bank, the market dropped. It's coming back to this area again. It may bounce off and it may break through. I don't know. That was my stop loss, this pin you see here. So let me just share with you, maybe it will help you. And as I said before, if you see anything you want me to improve on, please do let me know. And if you like the video, please do share so that we know that people are watching, and then you can appreciate what I'm doing. And thanks for watching. Bye.